Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnan Ahmed, and if you're searching for ways to earn, today I have brought you a new kind of way to earn from Grammarly. It is a trusted brand on the internet, and it is growing day by day. So guys, it's an simple extension you need to add to your browser to check your grammar mistakes while writing posts on Facebook or any other platform. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let's begin the video, and I'll show you a way how to earn from Grammarly. So guys, first you'll need to go down on the website and select the affiliate marketing link given below, and earn big promoting Grammarly. There are 3 simple steps. Sign up in under 60 seconds, and when you place a banner and write a post to receive a $25 bonus, and third step is simple. You just can easily make a lot of money. So let's check out the commission details over here. Action your payouts. So guys, when there is someone registers freely on Grammarly, signs up, then you get a 20 cents payout, and when someone purchases a premium plan, then you get $1.20. So guys, other benefits are high conversion rates of 20 to 30%. For example, if someone purchases a $100 product from Grammarly, then you get at least $30 to $20. So guys, then when you activate an account, you get $25 activation bonus, and cross-device tracking, extra generous 90-day cookie wins, incentives, world-class affiliate support, perks to top performers. They give cash bonuses when you rank in the affiliate marketing program, and your payouts will be increased day by day when you start earning big, and exclusive discounts only for you guys when you make out a heavy profit out of it. So what is the Grammarly affiliate program? With high conversion rates, a highly competitive commission structure, pub-friendly keyboard bidding policy, and regular cash bonuses, Grammarly resides at the top of the education category in the affiliate realm. So guys, this was the blog or some information given by the affiliate program. I saw many other videos on YouTube about Grammarly. They all recommended using these. Sign up at CJ, sign up at share a sale. I don't know what these are, but I'll recommend just signing up from the normal become an affiliate program. Just click on it, and this link will be open, and just fill in these details, and they are really easy. Just select your country and your state, and you just fill up these details, and make sure to add your website link over here in this place, and check these two and click sign up. I'll just click login because I just now registered and thought of making a video for YouTube. So guys, I'll just register with an account. They need some time to approve the account. Let's see if I can log in now, or I'll have to wait. So guys, I'm clicking login. Cannot log in, account pending. So guys, I'll have to give them some time to approve my account and my website. They need a less traffic source, that is a website that receives a very less traffic. And after doing this, share a referral link, and don't post them in the comments below, because I don't want some trash to be over here. Like if you are signing up and you don't sign up, paste the link of your referral link of the Grammarly in this video's comment section. So guys, next step is after signing up, you just have to share the link as much as you can, and every person signs up for Grammarly, you get 20 cents, and if you make up to 5 cents, then 5 accounts signing up, then you get $1, and first account you will get $25, right? Let's just check out that portal again. Let's go back to affiliate, and let's just check out the rate. You can just easily make a lot of huge amount of money from this, but I too have started today. So guys, you get $1.25 activation bonus. Then I'll just open the calculator and show it to you guys. So guys, first you get 25, then premium plan purchase, if at least 5, if you make up to 5, premium plan purchases by sharing a link, then you get plus 20 into 5, right? 20 into 5, then you get $225. Then the free registration $0.20 if you make up to at least 120. So guys, I'll just give you the whole amount. 225 plus 20 into 5 means $20 plus $20. Then you can easily make up to $245. That is in rupees. Let me just calculate. Approximately a dollar is almost 65. Then $245 will take you around 15,925. You can easily earn 15,000, almost 16,000 bucks a month by just signing up and sharing it with at least 50 people in a month. And that's it, guys. If my account was approved, I could have shown you the way how to really earn, but I'm not able to log in because my account is still gone for the approval. After it is approved, I'll just make another video for showing you guys how to share the referral link and where you find the referral link and how you can share it on your website and your social media accounts. So guys, that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Unboxer TV, and thanks for watching, guys. Meet you in the next one.